Hey everybody, it's Matt Moriarty from Moriarty Agency of Farmers Insurance, and this is another Business Spotlight. So today we're here in the beautiful offices of Hamilton Faatz, who are business and estate planning attorneys and actually the owners of the company, Refugio Perez and Frank Moroni. Thanks, guys.
Thanks for having us on, Matt.
Yeah. So tell us a little bit about yourselves.
I'm a Denver native, been here all my life. Went to school out in Washington, D.C., came back, and now I'm practicing here.
I'm also a Denver native, and I went to law school up at CU Boulder.
Oh, nice. One of the reasons that I wanted to do this is that, we deal with a lot of commercial clients, and we always recommend that they look at a business succession plan, and specifically a buy-sell agreement if there's partners in place. And so can you explain to the audience exactly what those concepts are and why they're important?
Yeah, so a buy-sell agreement is a contract entered into among the owners of a business, and it governs the way that the business will be divided in the event that perhaps one of the owners or partners dies. There's a disagreement that arises that they can't fix in the normal course. If someone's just ready to move on to the next thing, it's good to have in place so that everyone knows going in what it's going to look like when everybody's going out. It's especially important in the context of business succession when someone passes away or kind of gets into that retirement stage and maybe wants to leave their business interest to their kids or to a spouse or anyone who there's the successor that they've got in mind.
Perfect. And Refugio, let me ask you with regards to, if a client is just starting their business, and looking at the different entities out there, what would you recommend they start with, or is it better to just consult with someone like yourself that can make that determination?
Yes, definitely. I would suggest that the client consults with an attorney first, because oftentimes what we find is what a client wanted at the beginning of the creation of that company is not necessarily what they want towards the end. And so having an end result or an end goal really takes into consideration the plannings or the steps that need to be taken into consideration to accomplish that goal. So I would say definitely speak with an attorney first.
Perfect. And what would you say, from the majority of the clients that you get, what is the number one problem that you can solve when they come see you? What do they come with?
I think it has to do a lot with that. A little bit of business formations. Some is how do we build this company such that it creates or it meets what we're trying to accomplish. And the other half of the issues that we've seen so far is clients who kind of open up their own business, not necessarily studying what it takes to create this entity and then return because there's a dispute among the partners, a dispute among vendors or what have you, and now they're trying to accomplish the quickest solution to avoid extensive litigation.
The money is always better spent up front.
Yeah, definitely.
It's always less to set it up the right way rather than litigate and spend a bunch more money fighting about down the road.
Oh, most definitely. And just like with anything else, just like with insurance, and you want to set the policy up so that you're protecting your current and future assets. You want to talk to these guys to make sure that when you're starting your business, you're starting it up correctly, and that no future, anything that comes up is going to be already taken care of for the most part. So it's great to talk to an attorney, obviously, first and foremost. Let me ask you, do you guys do a lot of trusts as well?
We do. I'd say about half our practice is focused to estate planning, and that's comprised of the creation of a trust or a will, depending again on what the client needs, based on what they're looking for. So yeah, we have been in operation since 1955.
Oh wow!
So the business has been operating for a long time, and the lead attorney in the estate planning division has been practicing for over 45 years.
Oh wow!
And he has extensive knowledge and is very knowledgeable in the matter.
Very nice. And so let me ask you this: if someone wanted to get in touch with you, how would they do so?
They can call us at 303-830-0500 or on the web, hamiltonfaatz.com. Actually, we're also very conveniently located in part of DTC off of Bellevue and I-25.
Right, easy to find, right off of Bellevue and I-25. Beautiful office, by the way, too. So, anyways, I just want to thank these guys for sharing a little bit of information. Again, my name is Matt Moriarty with the Moriarty Agency of Farmers Insurance. My phone number is 303-798-3081. Again, 303-798-3081. And this was another Business Spotlight. Thanks so much.